Hey guys, I have a 2009 Nissan Altima. I had this product um, that is supposed to work with the cylinder head gaskets. I used Blue Devil in the past, and I'm gonna tell you something, that's the best. This car, I put the Blue Devil, and this car works for 2 years without no problem. It wasn't overheating or anything like that. But now I start to see a lot of black smoke coming out from the back. Um, this part over here, the reservoir is totally black, and when you open the radiator cap is like a milky um, cream color, so that means the oil is mixing with the antifreeze, so you're gonna see like oil residues right here and in the reservoir. I'm gonna try this product. uh, the difference between this product and the Blue Devil, this product, it looks very easy to use. You only use half. This is the small bottle. You put in the radiator cap right here. You remove this, and you let the car running for 15 minutes. You turn on the AC max on heat, so hot. You put on hot and you let it run, no driving, just running the engine for 15 minutes. Then you stop the car, you let it cool off for a little bit. You check the all the antifreeze in your reservoir, and if you need more, you put more antifreeze in your reservoir, and then you're gonna be free to drive your car. The head gasket is supposed to be sealed. With the Blue Devil, you had to take it off the two parts. Special, this car, the Nissan Altima, has two thermostats. So one is located right here at the front, and another one is right here. So you take it off the thermostat, you close that, you pour the product, you let it run for like 15 minutes. Then you put the thermostat back, you put more antifreeze, and you wait until the next day, until your car is cool off. You're ready to go. So I have a really good experience with the Blue Devil. It's more expensive, like $50. This is like $15, so I'm just gonna try this. So first step, we're gonna open this. Careful, like even though this car the engine is cold, I use two towels. I put one right here, and I put another one on top, because you never know if the car is hot. Okay, so even though when the car is super hot, you use the towels and you use a glove, but you don't take the cap right away. You wait, and you're gonna hear the pressure going out, like psss, and it's gonna be super hot. So you let all the steam coming out, then you take the cap out. So right here you can see, like you see the milky oil mixing with the water. It's like right there, and you can see it right over here. Look, all that shit, it's just water mixing with the oil. All right, so I'm gonna check this really good. I'm gonna pour the product, so I'm gonna pause the video, and then I'm going to start the engine. Okay, I open it, so I'm just going to pour half of this. I'm using the funnel right now. Let me see, that's kind of like, yeah, that's kind of half. All right, okay, perfect. I'm gonna, just to be safe, I'm just gonna add some water over here in the reservoir. Because it's nothing, there's no water there. Okay, gonna close this, close the radiator cap. Start the car. Start the car for 15 minutes. Today AC max. Put it on heat max. See max. This is the line right here. I'm gonna open a little bit the window. And I'm gonna let it run for 15 minutes. Alright, while the car is running, just always make sure during these 15 minutes, always make sure of the gauge doesn't go up. Alright, so just in case. Alright, so after 15 minutes you let it cool off, and then you run it normally. So let's see if I can make that video and I can prove that this product works. I'm gonna tell you that I had a really good experience with the Blue Devil. Really good product. I didn't use the big bottle, I used the medium size, and it works fantastic. It worked for like 2 years. It's not a permanent solution, but hey, it gave me a break. I work with my car, so you know, so that's what's up, you know, like work for 2 years and not to have headaches is a really good feeling. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna run the car if I have more memory, and I'm gonna let you guys know. It sounds really good right now. It didn't want to start, so it's a good sign. Hopefully, you know, the car is gonna run for, I would like to run this car for another year, but maybe 6 months. I'm gonna be so happy until I change the head gasket. Right, guys, peace. I'm gonna try to continue the video, but if you're not, peace and love. Okay.